Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a high taper, all the way down to the skin, one of my favorite haircuts to do. This is a real client in a real life barbershop situation and during normal business hours. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so others can also watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first step is to set my guidelines. You can do this in a variety of ways, but to keep it simple for this video, we'll do this. I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. The next step is to remove any hair underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to get rid of that guideline. I start with the clipper fully extended, and each time I pass through a section, I close the blade just a little bit, and then I repeat. I continue doing this until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using a 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through a section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, then repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade just a little bit, and repeat until the line has been erased. The line should be erased by the time the lever is in the center position. For this exercise, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. The next step is to create the lineup. I like to start here. Make sure the C-cups around the ear are nice and round. For beginners, stick with 90-degree corners. On a side note, to get the straightest hairline possible, you gotta stand directly in front of the client. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Use a straight razor to clean up your work afterwards. And I have to admit, it's a lot easier when you're not holding a camera. If your high taper looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. All the machines in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.